I love a buttery, lemony chicken piccata. And personally, I like to add a layer of crispy breadcrumbs the way that you do chicken parmesan. So that's what we're doing here. We have panko with parmesan, parsley, lemon zest, and salt and pepper. And that just adds extra crunch and flavor on top of the flour and egg wash. Fry the cutlets until they're nice, crispy, and golden brown, and then make a simple, buttery lemon sauce with white wine and capers. It's elegant and delicious and ready in 30 minutes or less.